Thank you for tuning in to Why Heart Sewing. This video is going to be how I unbox my embroidery thread. I bought two different kinds, Simthread and Brothread. And also right here, I'm just unboxing the thread. They come packed pretty good. And some little bubble wrap. Oh, God. My nephews love popping that, and it's so loud. So here's the little box and its new Brothread, embroider and sew your life. That's cute. Sew your life. I bought this for $39.99, but it's on sale for now for $46.99. Now that I got this box opened, these are nettings that go around the spool when you're on your embroidery thread. They really work well. I really like them. And this was a bonus that they give you. This was like a free gift that they give you in the box. And also they give you this little color chart, which I think is good too. And I'm going to show you how I use this on the a little later. But yes, you can see all the colors, and they look real, you know, like the actual colors. They did a good job at showing that. And here I'm showing you some of the spools, how they come. And this was a pink, and it's like all assorted colors, and they really look nice. I really like the colors. So keep watching. I'm going to show you what some of these colors look like. I really like this Silky. It's like a little bigger than these, just a tad bit. But I really like Silky thread. I've never used this thread before, but we'll see how it turns out. And I will let you know how I like it.
Good.
I have a color chart here, and it's by Brother Colors Chart. It's 63 threads. And what this does, it helps me because sometimes the colors are so dark. Like this one right here, it looks black, but it really isn't a black. And sometimes my embroidery machine calls for a different color. And so this chart helps me. And when I like lift up one of the spools, as you can see, it really doesn't tell me what color it is. It just says color number 707. So what I do is I look up the color 707 right there. And it's a dark gray, but it looks black. So right now I'm working with the black color. So, and it's 900. So this just helps me find the right colors that I'm going to need. And I kind of put it in order. So when I look for black, I don't have to go all over. So I just put it right there in order. So I keep this brother chart on me. And I got it from Amazon. And it came in this box. Embroidery thread. And it just tells you how many colors. And I got it from Amazon. I'll try to put a link because I almost forgot. I forgot how much it cost. But I'll put a link in the description box and let you know how much it costs. But it comes in handy. And these little, I got this pegboard and these little bitty little pegboard holders. I forgot what they're called too, but I'll also link those in the description box too. And it's just perfect to hang up here. And I got some more thread too, and I'm just gonna put them all up here, but I just ran out of the little spool holders, and I gotta get some more of those. But yeah, and I also keep my serger thread up on this pegboard too. And I just painted the pegboard like a little off gray and metallic gray. It almost looked like it's just a steel pegboard, but it's not. It's painted metallic. It was a brown. It was brown before and I painted it. But yeah, so I'll let you see that when I'm finished with all of the putting up all my thread, because I have a lot more. I got like 40 more threads to put up here. And I'll show you that in another video. I'm trying my best, but I don't know how to solve them. I don't know what to do. I need some time on my own to figure out what I want. 'Cause baby, right now I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems and now